Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up FreshBooks to organize client invoices for taxes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using FreshBooks to organize your client invoices for taxes, first, visit the FreshBooks website. Click on the Get Started button. Create a new account by entering your email address and choosing a password. After logging in, complete the initial setup by filling out your business information. Enter your business name, address, and contact details as prompted. Once your business profile is set up, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Invoices tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Invoices to access the invoicing section. To create your first invoice, click on the New Invoice button. Select a client from your existing list or add a new client by entering their details. Include the date and due date for the invoice. Itemize the products or services you provided by clicking on Add Line Item. For each line item, specify the description, quantity, and rate. FreshBooks will automatically calculate the total for you. You can also add sales tax if applicable, by clicking on Add Tax. Once you've added all the necessary details, preview the invoice to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, click Send to email the invoice directly to your client. To manage and track your invoices, return to the Invoices tab. Here, you can view the status of each invoice, such as sent, paid, or overdue. To track payments, set up an integration with a payment processor under the Settings menu. This allows clients to pay directly through the invoice, streamlining the process. To prepare for taxes, categorize your expenses by going to the Expenses section. Click on New Expense to log any business-related spending. Choose the appropriate category for each expense, such as office supplies or travel. Finally, during tax season, generate reports by accessing the Reports section. Select the reports that best suit your needs, like income statements or expense reports. This will help you gain insight into your earnings and deductions. By following these steps, you'll have FreshBooks set up to efficiently organize your client invoices for taxes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.